healthy. I sure miss you guys. Hey, I brought a friend with me today. Frida Frog. Say hi, Frida.
Hi, everyone.
How you doing, Frida?
Good, but I miss the kids.
Oh, Frida, I really miss the students too. What can we do to let them know that we're thinking about them?
What about the TikTok you made with your daughters?
That's a great idea, Frida. We made a TikTok about having a wonderful day. Should I share that with my students?
I really think you should.
Okay. Hey, by the way, make sure on your learning page that you all check out the social emotional learning tab. It's in the right corner. It's at the very end. Make sure you check that out because there's some lessons on there from Mrs. Plash that I want you to do. Have a great week, everyone. Miss you.